Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. February is marked as a month of love, and what better way to celebrate it than to cook some awesome food for your loved ones. So today we'll be making chicken pasta in red sauce. So let's get started. Let's begin by making the red sauce. I'm going to add some olive oil to the pan. The oil is nice and hot, so let's add some finely chopped garlic. Saute it a bit. Let's add some finely chopped onions. We'll cook the onions till nice and pink. The onions have turned pink. Time to add the chicken pieces. I have used the boneless chicken and cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Saute these. Now we'll add the spices. Red chilli flakes, pepper powder, some oregano. Give it a quick mix. Let's add the coarsely ground tomatoes, some salt and some red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. This is more for the color than the hotness. Mix it well. Tomato ketchup. Mix it well again. I'm going to let this sauce simmer on medium heat for around 8 to 10 minutes till the sauce thickens a bit. The sauce is almost ready. Time to add a final ingredient which is going to take the sauce to a whole new level. I'm going to add some fresh basil leaves. I'm going to simply tear them and add them to the sauce. Give it a nice mix. And our sauce is ready. Let's add the pasta. I'm going to use the penne pasta. I have cooked it till al dente. I'm going to toss it in the sauce. Give it a good mix so that the pasta gets well coated with the sauce. If you feel that the sauce is too thick, then you can always use the water in which the pasta has been boiled. I'm going to add just a little bit of water and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Our pasta is ready. Let's serve it. So do give this recipe a try to impress your loved ones and let us know in the comment section how it turned out.